Okay, hey guys, Dan here again, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to go look at IBM. Just a real quick one here. By the way, members, I put a few different trades on today with respect to new active trades. Sorry, I got my dog under my feet and she's distracting me. Anyway, but I want to get back to IBM now. Yesterday, I had mentioned that after the stock really tanked, that it was setting up a potentially good bullish snapback trade because it was so far below 3 standard deviations, which you can see by this line here. It's so far below 3 standard deviations that in instances like that, stocks it's only a matter of time before they reverse. And so it didn't do that first thing this morning. It traded, you can guess this, traded down, but then once it peaked as far as downside pressure, then this just kind of started drifting higher, and then after 2 o'clock, that's when it moved. With, shall we say, a little more decisiveness. But it took it a while longer to get going than some of these other tech stocks. So where are we now on IBM? I still think that the stock will ultimately run higher here tomorrow. I had said if it's above 32, that would be your go point. And I'll actually still say this. You can look at things this way. Look at 130 bucks as the line in the sand. If this move is going to work, and I do believe that it will, if this move is going to work, it shouldn't fall below 130. That is a super low risk. You can even keep your stop below today's intraday low, and you're risking less than 3%. That wouldn't work for me because of the type of trade this is. The way this trade is structured, I'm looking at this as a snapback, and if I'm correct, then the stock will not move down over 2% the other way. The only way the stock would move down to hit my stop is if I was wrong on the trade. Okay, well, I don't know why why I would stick with the trade after I knew that it was going to be wrong. So I would just suggest keeping a tighter stop on this, but I like the setup for tomorrow. Okay, that's all I got. I got to get ready for a fast track orientation class that I'm teaching at 5 o'clock Pacific, 8 o'clock Eastern time. So if you want to know more about that, you got to be a member, sign up for a free trial, and then you'll get information on the class that I'm teaching tonight.